everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media. So, with our other company here, Manderscheid Auto Appraisals, I got a fantastic opportunity to come out to the Humboldt car show today, to the Vintage Club. And yeah, I got a bunch of appraisals lined up. But I wanted to preview or show this car here. Mike is the owner of this 70 GTO. And I just, for myself, I mean, as a Mopar guy, you know, there's something about a GTO. You can pretty much pick any year GTO 71 and down in my opinion. I love them. Now this one is a real 242 VIN-code GTO. It does have a different engine in it from factory. It's a 350 in here with the better cylinder heads on it. But this car originally started out as gold, and I've done an appraisal on one similar. It's a same kind of color combination, 4-speed, not an automatic, 400 Ram Air 3. And then, God, carousel red is just so nice. So we're going to take a walk around here. This thing went over basically a 2-year restoration to get it to this point. It was in need of some serious TLC, but Mike and his buddies are up to the challenge. So this is what we got. And I think, again, this car is just so nice. So we have the factory, Pontiac sport wheels. These stripes are from Phoenix Graphics. Yeah, just awesome stuff. All new legendary interior. Again, show is amazing. It's got 4,000 miles on it since it's been done. And this car was done 20 years ago, mind you. So as you see this in the video, this restoration is 20 years old, which I think, this car has been well kept since its restoration. And I would say most of them probably are. Once you spend this kind of time, effort, money, the passion, the love, you want it to last. So yeah, I am going to go over. There's a 74 Roadrunner over there, and again, I'm part and parcel of those because that was my first restoration. But that one's a sunroof car, so we're going to get some video on that. But it's just a gorgeous GTO. Mike left me the keys, so we're going to fire it up and have a listen. It's got the spoiler added on. Again, I think these cars just need that and the hood tach. So let's go have a quick peek at the hood tach, and then we'll look in and we'll get a shot of the clusters. You look at, I don't know. We're just in the heart of just starting car show season here, and again, to be asked to come out and appraise vehicles, I mean, that's pretty awesome. So there's our cluster, aftermarket radio, which again, AM, not a whole bunch of AM offerings anymore. Automatic console. Yeah, 3-speed automatic. Super cool. So yeah, we'll get some more videos out of today. I'll just do a quick span around here, but we got a baby bird convertible. Nice. Okay, let's light her up. A real healthy 350. Sounds real good. 4,000 miles on it, better. And I'm sure it goes real well. Mike was saying just enjoying it, which is what we all try and do. So anyway, take care. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for more videos coming from the Humboldt Car Show at the Vintage Club. Take care. Bye for now.